Everyone, welcome back to jaylian.co.uk. We've finally got February's ZBox. Okay, so first up we've got a Supernatural mug. Resident Evil Stars badge medallion. That's pretty cool. A Geeky Tiki. It's plastic and it's like a water bottle version with a straw. And it's a Stormtrooper. That's pretty cool, although it's a bit plastic. And finally, a t-shirt. Lord of the Rings. I've got a lot of Lord of the Rings and stuff recently. And it's a Gandalf t-shirt from Lord of the Rings, ready for the new series coming out in September. And that's everything. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time at jaylian.co.uk.